If you are feeling distressed about your studies in this COVID situation, then here is the great news. We got you covered. If you cannot come to the classes, we will bring classes to you right on the top of your front screen. This is Gaurav, and I will guide you through the steps that you require to dive deep into the digital world of classes, where you will get everything otherwise given in an offline class. We will start with the link. On the screen, you can see a link that you need to click in order to come to the login page. The link is jrumoodle.in, that is JRUMOODLE.in. You can directly put this link in your browser and then press enter. Please watch carefully as I do this. You can either do this on your smartphone or on a PC. The choice is totally yours. Now you can see on my screen, we have reached to the official website that will follow you to the online learning platform that is been given to you by Jharkhand Rai University. Here on the screen, you can see on the top right corner, there is something written which says log in. We will have to click on this link in order to get to the main page where we will be asked our ID as well as our password. After clicking on this login link, we will be arriving at this page. This is called login page. This login page consists of two fields. The first one asks for your ID and the second one asks for your password. We will start with the username part or the ID part. The part before @ symbol of your email ID is your username. For example, if your email ID is rakeshkumar123@gmail.com, then rakeshkumar123 will be your username. I will repeat this. The part before @ symbol of your email ID is your username. For example, if your email ID is rakeshkumar123@gmail.com, then rakeshkumar123 will be your username. After correctly putting your username, the next thing to do is to put your password on the second field. Password is sent to your registered email ID that you have given at the time of admission. This is very important. You have to check your spam folder if you do not receive the mail from JRU online learning platform. If you have done everything right, then you will be directed towards dashboard. In dashboard, you will find all your courses that are assigned to you. One by one, you can check each and every course. You can find there the subject, the syllabus, the attendance, and everything that is required in your course in this online learning platform. And one very important thing, when you are logged in for the first time, you will be asked to change your password. That is the first step. You have to just give your password that is convenient to you and you can remember it. This will be all for today from my side. Thank you. See you.